Hello to dear friends, followers, listeners. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Thanks for subscribing our YouTube channel. I will request you to all guys, please press the bell icon so you receive the latest videos notification. So today going to show you an awesome indicator, non-repeat 100% true indicator. Sorry, not 100% because in trading world there is no anything is 100%, but this is an awesome, you can say this is 90% accurate. How this thing is working, very simple and easy. So let me define how this thing is work. First of all, you need to look at the signal. Look here, this dot is showing that the market is going down, the red signal. So it's time to sell in market. Okay guys, and that buy signal, look at this point. Okay, when that buy signal appears, so it's time to buy in market. Look at this signal, a buy signal and a sell signal. So this is the indicator, is working on any time frame you want to use, no problem. This is a trend based scalping indicator. I love scalping because scalping is the way make money easily and quick pips. Okay, if you want to hunt pips quickly and gain the profit, so I will prefer do scalping or swing based scalping, higher highs and lower lows using support and resistance. This is our indicator. It will show you two common things: first, support and resistance level, that green and red line. Okay, where is the green and red line? Let me mark up the areas. The first is resistance level and here is your support level. So this thing will show you support and resistance, so clearly you will understand where is market going. No need to draw the trend lines because it's also showing that trend lines work. Look here, I will just pick a trend line and draw here. Look here, a trend line. Okay, this is the second trend line. Okay guys, and just this is in a rough. Okay, now it's showing that market is going up. Okay, let me delete that lines. Okay, now you see this indicator of support and resistance also showing that market is going upwards. So here no need of trend lines. That first thing is the benefit of this indicator, no need to use the trend lines and draw on your chart. The second thing, no need to draw support and resistance because this thing is showing you the higher highs and lower lows. Look at this point. Look at this point. Okay, again look at this point. Again look at this point. Okay, I completely. It's showing support and resistance levels very clearly and very easy to understand that where is the support and where is the resistance. Using this indicator is the best and a big benefit of this indicator. Okay guys, now the signal benefit, where you have to enter sale position, where you have to enter in a buy position. So this indicator will help you to enter clearly and easy with confidence buy and sell. Look here, it just sent a sell signal, a red dot, so it means that market is started going downward. Look here, market started going downward and the sell signal, and look here the buy signal, and the market started going upward. Look here. How to put the stop loss, how to put take profit. A new buys don't know where to put the stops. Look here, you just confirm that buy signal at this point, put your horizontal line at this point. Okay, this will be your stop loss. In case that market reverse and touch your stop loss, you will be safe. This is based on money management. Where your take profit, when you make some pips, look at this low point, when market created a high and started going down and a low point, so simply use trailing stop loss and secure your profit and hold your position till that new signal appear of a sale. Look here. Now, look here, the second thing, the confirmation of a signal. Look here, the buy signal, look here is the confirmation of a buy signal. Okay, a sell signal, look here is the confirmation of sell signal. So sell and buy is very clear here. Okay, if you want to trade using buy and sell, so here is the buy and sell signal. Very easy and very clear. Now let's see live example using this system. It's really effective, it's really working or not. So this is M1 time frame. I'm going to make quick pips. So this one is showing that market is going down. Let me open the SEP index. Okay, now it's showing that the market is in a sale position and that market will go down. Right now we have $187.98. Okay, and we are going to place live trades. Therefore, on this signal, I will choose M1 time frame and see. Look, yes, absolutely right. This is going down because the signal is still there. Okay, guys, if the signal is still there, so it means that market is going downward. Okay, here is the step index. We'll confirm the signal and place the trade using this system. Look here. M5, M1 time frame confirmation is a sale, M5 sale, M15 also sale from this point. Okay, M30 also sale, there is no next signal. H1 also sale. So we are going to place sale trades. First one, second one, 2, 3, 4, multiple position on this. Okay, look here. 30 cent is in profit, 70 cent in profit. Okay, and $1.10 we just made $1.10, and right now my balance is $189.8, and the sale is, look here, the continuously market is going down. How accurate this system? Here is the accuracy. Okay, now let's move on. Next thing, let me show you the accuracy. It's showing that buy signal. Okay, the market is in buy. We'll confirm from M5 time frame. Yes, buy. M15 in sale, M30 in sale, H1, H4. Okay, no signal, no trade. Okay, don't gambling with trading. M5 have no signal. Okay, we'll move on next index, 101 S index. We'll see the signal. Okay, choose the same template, and the M5 time frame is showing the sell signal. Okay, buddies, M15 also showing the sell signal. M1 is going, M1 is from this point a long sell signal. Look here, a long sell signal. Okay, buddies, is 25 1S index is also showing sale, 75 1S index. And let me choose the template and show you. Is also showing that the market is in a sale position. M5 also confirming this is the long buy. M1 has turned this buy. Look here, the buy. Okay, buddies, M5 buy, M15 buy at this point. M30, the benefit, look at the stop. Look here, the stop loss. Your entry level, your stop loss, and look is the benefit of this system. Okay, not happen. This is a true indicator. When a signal appears, which means this is a trade call. It's going down. Okay, it's going down in sale. I will choose default lot size. M15 is going down. M30 is going down. Now it's going to test this resistance level. M1 still is down. Okay, and it's showing the sale. M15 is still down, M30 is still down, H1 is still down. Okay, it's still down, so it means that market is in sell position.